Every engineering project starts somewhere. This small setup became my workshop for building ideas, testing projects, and learning through failure. This desk may look simple, but almost every project I built started right here, from Arduino experiments to robotic systems and automation ideas. Most of the work happens behind the scenes, fixing circuits, testing components, and solving problems one wire at a time. The Arduino kit became the starting point for learning electronics, programming and prototyping real systems. Not every project works the first time. This setup has seen failures, debugging, long nights, and constant learning. It may be a humble setup today, but every upgrade, every project, and every experiment is building towards something bigger.